you're like me, you often have like 5, 6, 7, 20 tabs open
Give me all the data you can.
with different search engines and maybe 2 or 3 AI chatbots open.
We need more data.
We need more data.
I need more data.
And it gets kind of daunting to switch between all of them. Well, I'm going to show you a new tool. It's free. It's a Chrome browser extension that kind of solves this issue. So let's get right to it. Let me switch over. It's called Multi-Search and Multi-AI. And it's currently free, available at the Chrome Web Store. And what it does is it allows you to choose up to 4 search engines and 4 AI chatbots for you to run queries, and they all come up at the same time with one prompt, which is pretty cool. So let me switch over to here so I can show you how this works. So I've already installed it, and there's you can't see my address bar with my little browser extension buttons, but it's up here. So I'm going to click the multi-search and multi-AI button. And as you can see, I've got 4 search engines in one window, one browser tab. You can reduce this. You can make it 2 or 3. The maximum is 4. So I've got Perplexity, Google, Brave Search, and DuckDuckGo. And the way this works is, let's say we want to go vacation. So best places for spring break. Gonna press enter. And as you can see, I've got 4 different windows, 4 different search engines have performed this search for me. Now, it's also pretty cool is, let's say, I've done Google and I don't really like what I see here, and I want to switch it to, let's say, Bing. Without having to retype it, it'll auto fill in the query and give me the results, and I can just do this over and over again. Let's go to like Yahoo. Does anybody even still use Yahoo? I didn't know they were still a site. Can't believe Yahoo still exists. So there's more results there. And let's see Reddit. What does Reddit have to say for itself? Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. So if you're like a power searcher and you're just looking for data very, very quickly, very efficiently, this is cool. All right, now let's say you want to like expand this and just see this in its own tab. Just click over here. Let's say we want to go Brave. There is all of the stuff in its own tab. I can shut that and go back here. And let's say I want to run this query through AI. So I press here, and I will get 4 different AI chatbots. And again, I can switch between them. Let's say ChatGPT, for some reason, I cannot get this thing to close. The way I could see ChatGPT's results would be kind of go through here. And I don't know why I just can't. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. So let's go back to this. Now I can see the results. If I want to go back here, I can open up the sidebar or shut the sidebar. Okay, and here are the replies. Gemini's being a pest, so I'm just going to hit that and see what happens. Doobie-doobie-doo. You stop this response. So Gemini apparently doesn't like this. Let's see. There we go. All right. So I got it to work. There we go. And let's say I don't like Copilot, which I really usually don't. I can go to DeepSeek, hide that sidebar. And at this point, because I switched the AI agent, the AI chatbot, I'll probably have to type this again, but still, it's pretty cool that I can access this from the same tab as the other AI chatbots. Okay, now for some reason, man, this is taking forever. For some reason, it doesn't allow me to pop out just like the search ones, the search results. I can't. It allows me to pop out each individual window. For the AIs, for some reason, it won't let me pop them out. Maybe that's a feature request. We'll have to request for there to be a little button up here that we can pop this out to its own window. But hey, for responses here from the AI chatbots, which is pretty cool. And DeepSeek is going ham. It's like literally it won't stop giving me spring break suggestions here. It's going off. It keeps going. All right. Any other query? Let's go with what's the best AI chatbot at the moment? Let's see what these guys have to say. All right, so DeepSeek has got an issue. So let's try Quen. All right, good afternoon, whoever this is. And because I switched the agent, it doesn't automatically transfer. So I will just copy and paste. And let's see what happens. All right. So ChatGPT, unsurprisingly, has declared itself the top overall AI chatbot, and of course, for business and productivity, it's also earning high marks from itself. And look at that! It also has called itself the best for developers in coding, and that's to be expected. So 4 different AI chatbots with 1 prompt, pretty darn cool. And that's all I'm going to say for today's tutorial. Stick around. I'm going to be doing a deep dive into Minimax AI video generation. It's pretty dope. All right, guys. See you later.